Hi, it's Marvin. I'm here at Morrison's for my second block of the day. I didn't have it at the beginning of the day, but one of the guys in the WhatsApp group managed to grab it and then he passed it to me at a certain time. We don't do substitutions because if you do substitutions, you both lose the hours and it gets messy with pay and who's responsible for the block if something goes wrong. So the best way is just for the person who's got the block to drop it at a certain time and the other person's already refreshing to get it at that time. So, another charter block, possibly the forest or towards home. We'll see how it goes. So we've got 7 stops. We've got 1 in Gloucester and then the rest are in Stroud, which is near home, which is good. We've got a 7, a 5, a 6, a 2 which is age verified, a 7, a 5 and another 7 which is age verified. Let's go. Ooh. Hello. Hello. We're a bit heavy. Try that one. Got it? Be careful. This one's a cold one. Well, as cold as it can be with the sun like this.
Yeah.
Here we go. Got it?
Thanks.
Super. All done for you.
I'm sorry, I haven't got it.
Oh,
I've already changed.
that's all right. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Got your Morrison's for you. Your instructions are nice and clear.
People that get really confused on this 37 and 41B, it's like, well, it's going to be in the middle, but sometimes you've got to say it.
Is there a 39 then or not?
No. Which is what Thank you.
They like to fill them up sometimes. Here we go, all done for you.
Thanks so much.
Thanks, have a nice afternoon. Delivered there, 6 parcels. Hello. Got your Morrison's for you. Just need to know your year of birth.
1984.
Super. We used to have to ask everybody for their driving licence, but now it's a little bit more sensible. Thank you. Yeah, you too. Hello. Oh, a bit tucked away here.
I know.
I lived top of the hill in Swifts Hill View for like 12 years, and I never knew this little bit was here.
I love the fact that
There we go, all done for you.
perfect. Lovely, thank you very much.
Have a nice afternoon. Hello, I've got your Morrisons. Hello. These are the fragile ones. It saves me a lot of extra walking. That one's a cold one. There we go, all done for you. Super, all done. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, paying £40, finished in 1 hour 40 minutes, so 20 minutes early. I'm only 5 minutes away from home, which is good. Thank you for Jason for picking up that block and then sending it to me. We don't do subs though. He just dropped it at a certain time and I picked it up. It was quite a nice little drive around Stroud. I used to live here for 12 years, so I know the roads. Lots of people don't like it because it's hilly and they don't know where all the roads are, but I don't mind it. So if you enjoyed that ride along video, give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks to do with Amazon Flex, and I'll see you next time.